My people, welcome back to another video. Today we are in Portmore for sure, and we are heading to 4th Clarence Beach, which is in Portmore, St. Catherine, right next door to the capital city, Kingston. Now, Portmore is, as I said, right next door to Kingston, and 4th Clarence Beach was recently renovated and it reopens its door in September of last year. Now, immediately upon entrance, what I noted is that there's a lot of security guards, which is wonderful. It means that the place is safe and secure. Now, there's a little line at the entrance where you have to pay to enter. So you join this line, you pay to enter, you get your wristband, and then we opt over to the beach. So this is the view at the entrance, where you can see a 360 view, or almost 360, right? So this is the view at the entrance as we make our way through the property and down to the beach. But before we enjoy the festivities, let's get some sunscreen, 70% SPF of course, and then let's hop on into this turquoise water, white sandy beaches. If you're into that, then stick and stay with us. Now, this was a Sunday afternoon, and as you can see, there are a lot of persons just relaxing on the beach. As I said, it is white sandy beaches, turquoise water. It is calming, it is relaxing, it has a vibe, people, and if it did not, I will definitely tell you. Now, look at that, look at that. The beach is clean. It is, as I said, clean, pristine, and secure. This is a 4th Clarence Beach. It is now owned and operated by the UDC, as they have taken it over from Guardsman Group of Companies. Now, what I noted though is that there's a lot of persons who are from overseas. A lot of persons from overseas are present on this beach. This is not Ocho or Montego Bay, so it was really shocking to find so much tourists. Now, before I glossed over this, please note that there are receptacles every single where. There are lifeguards present, and there are, of course, little shower areas where you can wash off the sand. There is a tuck shop or a canteen snack shop area where you can buy your food. You can buy snacks for the kids. You can, yes, so everything that you need, drink, water, then you can get it at this canteen, tuck shop, snack shop area. Now, guys, note that there is only one of this area present on the beach, which means that the line is very long. But what I love though, and I have to make note of it, is that it is wheelchair accessible. Like, everything on this property is wheelchair accessible. Oh, wonderful, right? All right, let's get into the facilities now. The bathroom is clean, moderately clean. I mean, when you go to the beach, normally the bathrooms are always a mess, and I think this is really remarkable. The bathroom is clean, it's fresh. You can smell the fabulous soda that's strung up in your nose in there. That means to the people, them have persons going through and cleaning, and I think that is because they have this section, which is a changing room, where you can actually go and remove your wet clothes and change into your dry clothes, separate and apart from the bathroom, which facilitates the cleanliness of the bathroom, and I love that. So big up 4th Clarence Beach for that. Another fun activity that we noted was that football game did Depam Point. It was a cricket match further down the beach. I'm sorry I didn't get a footage of that, but this is to show that there's a lot of activities happening. As I said, there's a lot of tourists on the beach. There are a lot of persons coming in from overseas. They're here with their family. There are persons who are just visiting, who know nobody at Jamaica, but they rent Airbnb in the area, and they are here to enjoy the crisp wind, the nice beach, the food, the festivities that Jamaica has to offer. And I have to say, well done, UDC. Now, the vibes is buzzing on the beach. As I said, the music is pumping. This is me and my son enjoying just that. And of course, I'm downing a Heineken because I love Heineken. I love the refreshment and the crisps. Tell them to sponsor me, people. If you know nobody at Heineken, send them over here. Now, let's get down to the food, because you know, so we are foodie, and that's what we're here for. Now, this is the menu that they have up on their board. You can pause it and take a look at it. This is the menu. The price is a little bit high, I'm not gonna lie. Now, this is the fish and festival that was present at the day that we were there, right? Now that the festivities is over and it's been a long, wonderful, relaxing and enchanting day, we have to pack our little bag and we pack our Dunsamina and we head on home. But before we leave, we're not gonna leave without we tell you exactly what we think. So the pros are it is clean, yes, clean. It is secure, there's a lot of security present, and there's lifeguard. It is easily accessible, wheelchairs and all, right? It is family friendly, so that is the pros. And of course it is relaxation, relaxing, reading a book. This is place for that. Now there are some things that they need to work on, and that is one snack shop now gonna make it. People who need another area, and the food is very basic. Now they need to improve on their menu, but we're gonna give them some time to get it all together, right? So guys, if wherever you're visiting from, wherever you're from, come to Jamaica, enjoy Jamaica, and say the Morgan Legacy recommend you.